RITES, they do that. They do so many different types of assessments that will make sure that the student is going to be matched up with an instructor who has those strengths, who has those techniques and strategies to teach them. I really commend Lisa and Hallie for all of the fundraising and grant writing, the ways that they have made it possible for so many families to send their children to RITES. My training consists of Orton Gillingham, which is language-based instruction and very sequential order, and I do apply this throughout the school year when I'm teaching my classroom of third graders. I feel like you're giving them the whole picture to teach them, from parts of sentence to whole sentences to paragraph writing, and so I use the Orton Gillingham program, and I use the Project Read programs that are multi-sensory programs that I feel like I refine them every year. I don't, and those are the programs that work well for the kids. And I feel like the directors here, they know that my strengths are in that area, and they allow me the freedom to build my program creatively. What I've tried to instill in the students in the summer program is that you're learning many strategies that you can take with you, and you should feel empowered to use them. I think that RITES sets apart its program by taking the whole child into consideration and working with the parents to make sure that the students aren't only getting what they need while they're here in the program, but also beyond.